Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. In today's video, we are going to be checking out the Perfume spy camera from Portocam. This spy camera is perfect if you do need to capture someone in video without knowing it, especially if you have a nanny who might not be giving proper care to your child, or if you are concerned about whether your elderly parents are having proper care, and also to monitor your personal belonging while you are away on a long trip. As you can see, the Perfume spy camera is quite discreet. It blends in well in any environment you place it on. The only time you will notice that it's a fake perfume bottle is when you do take a closer look at it. You will notice two tiny holes in the front, one for the camera that shoots in 1080p, and the other hole is for the infrared so that you can see clearly at nighttime without the LED lighting up. The spy camera itself is pretty lightweight and compact. It's got a massive built-in 4000 mAh battery that will last you approximately 6 months long of standby time use, which is very impressive for a wireless camera. The spy camera also has the motion detection feature built in the app, so whenever your phone or tablets are turned off and there is motion in front of the spy camera, you are automatically alerted with a notification on your device. You do have the ability to record or take pictures of the footage you captured and store it in your smartphone devices or on the free cloud storage, up to 20 videos that are provided for you for free. So overall, I am quite impressed with the spy camera. It does what it's supposed to do. It hides and blends in well in any environment. My family couldn't even locate it when I asked them to find the spy camera. That's how good it is. It's very discreet. It's got a long-lasting battery, which is always good to have, and it's got a free cloud storage, which is really handy to look back on what you have captured. The only negative I had for this spy camera is for some reason I wasn't getting any audio on the spy camera and on my smartphone and tablet devices, both on Android and iOS. Maybe perhaps I have a defective unit, or probably I was doing something wrong, who knows. But overall, the spy camera is still a great camera. So there you have it guys. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!